Cinco de Mayo. Do you celebrate this day? And if you do you drink tequila? I don't drink. But if you do, have a glass for me. Let me know what kind of tequila do you drink. Please comment below and have a glass for me. I celebrate today, but not Cinco de Mayo. 17 years ago, I came into United States. So this is what I celebrate today. So it's finally a nice, beautiful day today. Rain, but it's perfect day. Perfect day to work out. Every day is a perfect day to work out. No excuses. So let's do something today. No weights. Very, very easy. Everybody can do it. And I'm sure you'll do it every day without knowing. Let's do some soccer run, some sprint, and we're gonna kick ass. Soccer run. Imagine you have a soccer ball. I'm from Europe, so we call football. So have your soccer ball between your legs, between your feet. Core engaged, back straight for 30 seconds. I don't have the timer with me, but let's pretend it's 30 seconds. You can modify. If you don't want to run, you cannot run. Just pretend you have your balls. Ball, not balls. So this is soccer run for 30 seconds. Core engaged, back straight, look in front of you and think about tequila. 30 seconds. I don't have the timer. You do it. You're gonna have the timer. The second one will be sprint. Again, this is how you modify. And if you want to run, back straight for 30 seconds. Modify if you need to. Breathe, take a break, hydrate if you want to, if you need to. And the third one, we're gonna kick our derriere. Touch our derriere. 30 seconds. Look in front of you. Core engaged. Breathe. 3 workouts. I post this on my page. I'm doing something new. Whew, it's not easy. No weights, but it's not easy. 30 seconds HIIT, high intensity training for beginners. It's not easy, but it's gonna burn our calories. So I'm gonna post my page. A like would be much appreciated. Let me know if you drink tequila, and if you do, have a glass for me. Please incorporate these perfect, easy exercises in your workouts, and I'll see you next time. I'm waiting for your comments, and like my page, share with everybody. Happy Cinco de Mayo!